Today we will see how to run UI test cases using only prompt, and that prompt we will provide in GitHub Copilot and also using VS Code and MCP server. So let's start. Is future of test automation is going to be AI driven? The reason is why I'm saying because of Playwright MCP server. So here we have Playwright MCP server, and using that we can implement something like here I'm writing the prompt, and based on the prompt we can create test results. So let's see how we can do this. I'm using Playwright MCP server, that is execute automation Playwright MCP server, and then what I have done is I have installed this using this npm command, and then next step is just copy this and just copy this one and paste it in a file inside .vs code folder with mcp.json name, and paste it here, and then replace mcp servers with servers. Then you will see something like here start. Just click on the start and you will see this is running, the server is running. Now our next step is just copy this prompt. Here first see what is inside the prompt. So here enter the website URL, then prompt provide step by step instructions, then specify executed outcomes, then choose report format. So here you want to test, you will provide the website, then step by step instructions like go to home page, click login, etc. Then you have specify expected outcomes, and then you can specify the format in which you need your test output. Here is the one example, that is navigate to this youtube.com, then expect homepage loads, then go to search for erase overflow in the search bar, then redirect to here, expect this is expecting, then verify the page contains text erase overflow and click on the erase overflow YouTube channel, then expect is that text is visible on the page. Okay, just say click on the here's overflow first YouTube channel. Okay, and close the Chromium browser, then report format is HTML, then save the report in the working directory. Then here just use the prompt and execute the prompt. Continue. Then it is saying yes, search for error overflow. Then click on continue. You'll see here this is searching. Then you have to do is saying click enter, key enter, then it is here verify text and click on the first erase overflow channel, then continue. Here
Hey everyone, I am Harera and this is Overflow. Here we provide solutions, bug fixes, and information about cloud technologies, frameworks, and programming languages. We provide information about
finally let's generate the HTML report. It is here test report.html is created. Then open this in browser, and here we can see our report, YouTube test automation report. Then this is website, this is date, and this is steps, this is total steps, this is passed, this is failed, this is test status, and this is screenshot saved like this. Thanks for watching. Stay connected to Eros Overflow.